Oh!
Juliet!
Yes!
Juliet!
Yes!
Juliet!
Yes, what can I do for you?
I just was so happy that you joined us on this adventure, even though, technically you are on the other faction, but I've just been so glad that you were willing to bridge this gap regardless,
Oh, well, of course. Just because we don't necessarily agree doesn't mean that we have to be mean to each other, right?
I also have a question.
Ah, yes, of course. What is it?
So, I don't know if you noticed, but yesterday, Lady Bloodflame gave me a pickaxe.
Oh, gave you a
For free.
pickaxe? For free?
Yeah, for free. And I've been actually out of pickaxes. I've been struggling, and I do not have a lot of money.
Oh.
And I still need money in order to buy the compass.
Yes.
So that we can get into the dungeon of tonight. I wanted to ask you if maybe, since we see eye to eye in so many things, maybe you would be willing to also give me something?
Oh, I'm so sorry, but I don't have a pickaxe right now as we speak. Mine is broken.
Maybe something else then?
I don't really have much else. I suppose I could give you a few potato salad. Would that suffice?
Oh, I would love a potato salad.
Yes.
Thank you, Juliet.
Yes, thank you.
Take
All
care.
right.
Mankind,
You as
are
well?
you dying?
I can't believe she would ask me for something. But I'm most surprised with Lady Bloodflame giving something away for free. I mean, I guess that is within her character, but in this economy and when we're split up like this, it's not quite appropriate, don't you think? I saw her, but she is gone already. Alas, next time we talk, I will have to mention this to her. Soon enough, the next dungeon will open up, and I presume that would be a good time for us to travel together.
Am I saying that word right? Oh man! Who's calling? Does it say? Sorry, I can't answer the phone right now. Return to 𝗕𝗲𝗰𝗺. I have nothing more to say to you. Alright. Maybe that was Shiori calling me.
Hello, Juliet. Do you have a party for the upcoming dungeon?
No, but I was planning to go with Lady Bloodflame.
Okay, well, you can hold up. I need to make sure Mokoko will be okay too. Just stay single for now. I'll be back with the party.
All right.
Okay, I'll go find.
Wait, are you
Lady
going with me,
Bloodflame.
or are you staying
we're going
single
together.
as she says?
No, we're going together, Lady Bloodflame.
I mean, if it's too much, I mean, if you
no,
wish to go
I
with us.
wanted to go with you. I tried to call you, but you ignored it.
Oh no! I'm sorry. I was multitasking. I thought it was probably Shiori calling me again.
No, it was I. But
Apologies.
Lady Bloodflame, I was talking to Miss Immerkind today, and I heard something quite worrying that I wanted to address with you. Would you come with me?
Worrying. Okay, yeah, sure. I guess my good news is I am learning to make greater stones.
Oh, congratulations.
Yes.
But, Lady Bloodflame, I know that you as a knight are quite kind and generous, but we cannot be giving things away for free.
Oh,
What was it?
you found out about myself gifting her?
Yes, she told me herself. I thanked her for the flowers she sent, and she explained to me that when she had given it to you, that you had given her something for free.
Oh, well, I am a knight. Of course, I do not, you know this. I do not ask for
No.
coin.
Not here, we don't.
Oh, why is that?
Because we can't be so generous, especially with our enemies.
Enemies? I mean, they're not really enemies. They are still our comrades.
They might be our comrades, and we can still be kind to them, however. Don't you know that Immerkind is okay with lying and is also trying to overthrow the current structure of power here in Libestel?
Overthrow it? How?
Yes. She sees the sightseers who are currently in power, and she thinks that we should overthrow them of this timeline with Thea.
With Thea, but, well, we don't even know. Do we know if she's a real princess? I mean, she's a cat right now. a plushie.
No, we don't know. We don't trust her right now, Lady Bloodflame.
Are you sure we don't trust her?
I'm positive. And you should be too.
No, I will think on it.
Just think on it. Lady Bloodflame, are you not my knight? Did you not swear an oath to me to be loyal? And you're going to doubt my words?
Yes, you're right. I am sorry. Yes. No, you are right. I mean, you have been by my side through thick and thin, right?
Yes.
I should trust you.
We've been together, and we'll continue to be by each other's side, so let's do our best to trust each other, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Well, thank you for trusting me with your words.
Of course. I'll look forward to doing the dungeon together soon. I suppose Shiori wants to join along with maybe some other members of our coven.
Yes, that sounds fine. Just call me when you're ready, Princess.
All right. I presume maybe around 6 minutes from now.
Okay. Emma Kind is not to be trusted.